In this video, I will show you how to create Google Form using your laptop. So let's do it. First of all, you just need to open your Chrome browser, and then on the top right hand corner here you can see Google Apps. Simply select it, then scroll down and you can find here Forms. Simply select this app, and after open here some templates. You can see lot of templates on here. If you want more template, just select template gallery. You can choose from here. Otherwise you can simply select blank form. So after select here you can see this is your form. You can start from here. So just giving your form name. So here you can see I just gave company name. Also you can describe your form here. Then in this section start for your question. So you can add question on here like name, and here is two option, or you can choose multiple choice or short answer. Then if you think it's this option is required, this question is mandatory, enable it required. And then if you just want add another question, just select this plus icon, and here you can see like email, and you can also add a paragraph, short question, all or multiple choice, anything you can select. And if you think this is also required, you can enable it, or if you just want to delete, just delete it. So after successfully edit your form text, if you want change color, like customize your theme, just select this icon, and then there have an option for text style you can change. Also you can add a header image. Just select choose image, you can choose from here. Also you can change the color, like here you can see blue, green, any color you can change. Also background, here you can see you can change. So after successfully edit your Google Forms, if you just want to share it, just there have an option share icon you can see. Just copy this link, just copy here, and you can share this form link with your company member or with your students. And also you can publish it on your Google account. Just select publish. So guys, in this way you can very easily create Google Forms on your laptop. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.